Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show how to enter survey data into Excel. In this tutorial, I'll show 5 questionnaire. Here, one questionnaire, sex may be male or female. Here, male and female, and then age, then religion, social category, and educational level. Suppose sample number 12, sex is male. Then we can add here male. In this case, female. In this case, male. Similar way, suppose it is age 26, 34, 48, like this. Then religious category, religion may be this one for Muslim, this one also Muslim, this one may be Christian. Then this one OBC B category, OBC A category, this one OBC A category, and the Christian ST category. Suppose education level, here primary, this one secondary, this one postgraduate. So this is about code. Here the code. How we can create this code. Sex, religion, social category, education level. We can add here many more. How we can add here? This is simple trick. Just select it. Then go to data section here. This one data. Then go to validation part. This one data validation. Okay. This one data validation. Now go to data validation. Here we can validate our data. Suppose it is any value. Just select it and click it OK. Now see, there is no drop down value. Okay. If we want to create drop down value, then just delete it. Select it. Data validation. Select from here, from this drop down, select here list. This one. Select list. Then source code. Select it. Already I have added here sex, male, female, and transgender. Just select it, click it OK. Again age, then religious. Again go to data validation. Any value, change it to list. Select it source data. Go to code, religion, this one. Click it OK. Again social category. Go to data validation. Select data validation. Change it any value to list, and source code we have to select here source code general to ST. Again click OK. Again go to education level, data validation, change it any value to list, and we have to edit here our customized code primary to others. Click it OK. Now select all and just drag it up to your data. Suppose we have 600 sample. Okay. Now we can easily add. Suppose if I click here, then here the drop down list, we can add male. This one may be male. This one may be female. We can easily add like this way. No need to type again and again. But in this case, age, we have to type here age. It may be 30, 31. It may be 52. It may be 56, it may be 58. Now religion, now go to here drop down list. It may be Hindu, this one may be Hindu, this one may be Hindu according to your questionnaire. Now it is maybe Muslim, it is maybe Christian, it's a Buddhism. Then social category, in this case Hindu, it may be general, it may be SC according to your category, social category according to your questionnaire. Muslim maybe OBCA, then Christian maybe it is ST, then Buddhism maybe ST. Then education level, we can add here education level, customized education level according to your questionnaire. You have to prepare this drop down list according to your questionnaire. Suppose it may be it is primary education, this one graduate, it may be postgraduate, it may be diploma, or like this. This way, you can easily enter your survey data into Excel without any error. Thank you for watching this tutorial.